All right, guys. How do you build muscle, right? Muscle on a ketogenic diet. Well, number one, y'all need to adapt. People keep forgetting you actually have to keto adapt. So once you're fully adapted, it's quite easy to build muscle. But there are a few things you must consider. Numero uno, zinc. You guys need a nice zinc copper balance, but especially foods high in zinc like liver, pastured, grass-fed, not organic. The other thing is cholesterol, right? We want things like butter in our diet. If you don't have a histamine intolerance to it, you can tolerate butter as your dairy. Butter is great, right? It has CLAs and ALAs and omega-3s and the fat-soluble vitamins, but it has cholesterol. And this is a huge precursor to making what? Muscle, because balancing your hormones, cholesterol. Another very important thing is connecting to a circadian rhythm, because at night is when you're going to release properties and testosterone and growth hormone to build and repair the body. So just because your blood sugar seems normalized and you have energy and you seem to be adapted, doesn't mean like you're going to have the huge gains if you don't balance the body through your hormones. And for women who are post-menopause, then you've got to protect your adrenals, because that's going to be the next avenue. And woo, I'm making short videos now. This is fabulous. Yes. So remember, of course, all quality of protein, but really comes down to that animal fat with that zinc, with the circadian rhythm, and the cholesterol. And of course, being insulin sensitive, because if you're insulin sensitive, you don't need a lot of insulin to then be able to drive lower amounts. Now you only need a little bit of protein to go into the muscle, so it will grow. How do I know? Because I'm 51, going on 52. I've been doing keto for now over 11 years. And if you want coaching, you can go to stephanieperson.com. I run a keto course, which is super cheap. It's a membership. stephanieperson.com. You can go to my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, and I'm trying to keep these things under 3 minutes. I'm trying to summarize some of the length of my live broadcast and got some energy. Yes, that's what's up.